How to search on Reddit effectively. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can search on Reddit effectively. Now, how do you do so? The first step is for you to log in into your Reddit account, just like I've done here. And so once you're logged in, you will be taken to your own page. All right, so once you're on your own page, you will see details about, you'll see different posts based on the community that you've joined, as you can see on my screen. And then once you can see this, in order for you to search effectively, you would have to enter relevant and specific keywords related to your topic. So go to the top right corner and click on the search icon, which is next to your profile icon. And then, like I said, use relevant specific keywords related to your topic. So you can also use filters such as top, new, rising, trending. As you can see trending today in order for you to search effectively. So for keywords, for example, if you want to search for good food or best foods in all the most advertised foods in 2024. Now this is a good way to search because a year is included and keywords are included based on the topic that I want to make research on, and I click on search. And based on these keywords, responses would be given, both text, both videos, pictures will be given based on this. So in order for you to search effectively on Reddit, ensure you use relevant specific keywords related to your topic, and you have to select the areas where you want the posts to come from. Do you want it to be from posts? Do you want it to be from communities? Do you want it to be from comments or media or people? And then you'll be able to get your answers from there. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.